right, so we're doing a bit of Escabeche, Spanish-inspired dish. So we're just gonna fry the snapper in the olive oil that we're gonna use in the marinade. So there's gonna be a little bit extra olive oil in the pan. Making sure to dust off that flour. Give these a little flip. Again, you don't want to get them too cooked. You can actually leave them a little bit rare in the middle. That's going to give it a beautiful texture. Remember, the hot marinade is going to continue cooking it for another 5-10 minutes as the marinade cools over the fish. And into this hot oil, I'm going to go with the garlic. Just a touch of Serrano hot sauce. Now it's in with the onions and the peppers. Once that is lightly slowed down for a little bit, we're going to throw in these carrots, little rainbow carrots I found at the market. Some capers. I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of olive juice, like olive brine. Can't hurt. Key ingredient is some good vinegar. So I'm using sherry vinegar. You can use good red wine vinegar, white wine vinegar. Basically the vibe is olive oil and acidity, aromatics, cook fish, and then put the fish into the vegetable vinegar olive oil mixture and just let it chill for like 3 to 6 hours. Really simple dish, but adds an amazing flavor to it. You're basically marinating the fish after you cook it. Okay, we're going in with the vinegar. We're gonna bring this vinegar up to a simmer, let it go for about 2 minutes. Now we're gonna take this and go over the fish with it. Okay, so there's our escabeche. Olive oil, vinegar, nice veg over the top. We're gonna whack this into a fridge, or you can just leave it at room temp. So we let this marinate up. I'm just gonna serve this with a little bit of brown rice and a very simple salad with a little Parmesan.